Hi, Namaste to one and all. Today I'm going to explain you the next step of depression healing. In this step, uh, so before previous steps, once again I'm recalling. So first step is exercises. Second step is breathing exercise. Third one is Surya Namaskar, and fourth one is uh, this meditation, and the next one is healing. So healing means pranic healing, and also psychotherapy. In psychotherapy, the I'll show you an image. With the help of image, I can explain you this. So I'm showing you the diagrams. So here is the images of pranic healing and chakras. Wait. I think it was last. Last. Just a minute. Ah, this is the okay. In this picture, see, so the chakras are there. So all the chakras have the pattern, thought patterns. So you need to remove the thought forms, negative thought elementals, negative psychic energy from these chakras. So a pranic healer and a psychotherapist can do this. So that if the negative thought forms and negative thought elementals are there, repeatedly again and again you have the same thought. Unwillingly you fall into the same thoughts again and again you generate. So that's why you need to remove these thought forms and thought patterns from your roots of the chakras. Okay, from the chakras and chakra protective layers, you need to remove all these things so that you can heal. Okay, so this is an advanced pranic healer, and psychotherapist only can do this. Normal person cannot heal this. Okay, the trained person can do this. So he charge something, that means some money he charge from you for doing this healing, psychotherapy healing and pranic healing. So you need to pay accordingly. So don't worry, the pay is very nominal pay only, not that much heavy amount will never take. Okay. So the next one is this is a psychotherapy. He will take the psychotherapist to take care of you. You need to cooperate with him. That's it. Okay. So you need to be open after bath. Be open. Better take a one sacred area. Go there, and you can make healing. Distance healing also there. So distance by distant healing also it is it works out. Okay. Na? So this is all about the healing. The healer will take care of you, no problem. Okay, na? You need not to do anything. Just cooperate. Just be receptive. He do everything. Okay, na? So your all your negative thought forms again and again. The same thoughts will come. That thoughts he will remove out. The energy of the thought will be removed out by the uh, psychotherapist. Okay, na? Next one is I forgot two things, major and important things. The dark chocolate is works very well. Okay, na? So I'm showing you some dark chocolates in the internet itself. It's showing. So these dark chocolates works like equal to medicine. Okay, na? So although this is a food, but it works nearly equal to the uh, tablet. See, generally, a psychotherapist give you the sertraline tablets to you. Okay, na? So with the equal to that tablet, it works out. That means you daily make a habit make a habit. Okay, na? Daily eat one dark chocolate. Okay, according to your finance plan. So as much as possible, you can have it. Okay. So this is one more tip of the healing, depression healing. And also one more and important one is listening music. Okay. So listening music means, see here, see in your cell phone, iPod, computer, you are listening musics by doing something else. Some other works while doing some other works, you listen this. No, it won't work out. Okay, na? It won't work out. Whenever you get involved in the music, whenever you enjoy the music, then only the healing happens. All your stress bypass the stress in a bypass manner. It go away from your system. Okay, I experienced it personally, so that I'm telling you. Go to an orchestra. Some places you can find the orchestra while going live. Okay, so live music, some kind of group are going to play, so that that kind of situation you attend them, that festivals and all those things, you attend personally. Okay, so live only work out. uh, in your phone or in your computer, it won't work out properly. You need to, okay, it works out in that only, in that also it work out, but the live music session works more powerfully. Bypass the stress, all the stress and strain, bypass from your system, it go away from your system. Okay, the music releases unknowingly, releases all your stress and pain. Okay, you can experience this when you attend the sessions. You can experience personally. Okay, you listen music, but the music you should have, you have to involve in the music. You need to enjoy the music. Okay, if you listen the music with a very heavy burden, or doing something work, and you are just partially listening music, no, it won't work out. Okay, so this is also one more best tip for depression healing. Listen music daily for 15 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes. Better to attend a music group. Okay, na? So live session is very important for this depression healing and stress releasing, and strain releasing in your inner system. Okay, na? So next one is, so psychotherapy is there, and these are the additional two tips. And now the most important one is removing the past memories from your amygdala. Amygdala, see the image. See here where the amygdala is there in your brain in this image. See here. Okay, now. So this is the red one. And the red colored one is the amygdala in your brain. So it contains all your past painful memories. Okay, now. Painful memories, whatever the pain in your system is here only. Okay, now. That means memories are there all over brain, or somewhere, some places. So past memories and all those things located here only. Scientists found like that, like this only. So to remove out all your inner pain or painful memories in this incarnation only, from the childhood to till today, take a book like this. Okay, take a long notebook, take a pen. Okay, be in a separate room, start writing all your pains in your brain, whatever the pain you faced in your life, write down from starting to these pages. And nearly you need to fill it, nearly you need to complete 100 pages to 200 pages. Depends upon your age, whatever it may be, whatever your age is, you need to complete one complete book. So this is the best step. All your pains, means, see, from childhood onwards, in childhood onwards, whatever the bad memories and whatever the hurtful situations. Okay, na, your afraid, whenever you got afraid, so that memory you need to write down. Okay, na? So you do so somebody, if somebody harmed you, you need to write down your experience. If you harm others, that also you need to write that, right there in this book. Okay, na? So this is this clears almost of all, most of your pain clear. Okay, na? So write down your childhood, whatever the hurts you got, write down. And in studies, what are the failures are in your studies, write down. in adult life, write down whatever the adultery issues, all you write down. And in your job, write down whatever the failures, whatever the hurts, cheating, whatever the cheating you did or other people cheated you, other people cheated you. So these are all, okay, now whatever the pains, hurts, okay. So write down like this. Whenever and whatever the hurts you face it from others, and you hurt others, that situations also write down, okay na? All these painful memories passed in this incarnation from childhood onwards, write down 200 pages, chapter by chapter, like that. You write down first childhood, next studies, okay na? Write down all the failures in the studies, that is a 10 pages or 20 pages, write down, okay na? Remember each and every moment in the past life, write down. And write down the current life, health problems, write down, face the whatever the problem and whatever the pain you got in the due to that health issues, write down, okay na? So your negativities also you write down, okay na? All your pains and discomforts, okay na? Even a single small penny of discomfort also you can write down, okay na? So complete the book. After completion, take 1 or 2 days time, okay na? And write down. After finishing the writing, after finishing, you need to tear the each and every page and burn it in a fire. Burn this in a fire. Later come to your um, God, in the presence of God. You need to obey all your mistakes. You need to ask for the pardon, and again you confirm, you make it, you do a promise, don't do these mistakes, whatever the mistakes you did in the past. uh, Promise to God, don't do that. As much as you can, I will never do again. You need to strong determination, okay? You need to have a strong determination so that you can do very less mistakes in the future, okay? So remember one thing, while writing each and every painful memory and your mistakes, whatever are your mistakes and your weaknesses, while writing all these things, you need to be aware, okay na? Merely writing these things will never give the result. Be aware in your brain. So if the each and every memory passes through the fire of discrimination, okay na? Strong determination and discrimination, if it passes through the fire, then that will be fried. The memory will fry, the memory fries off. So that means again the pain effect uh, will never show you in future. The effect of the pain will bring you the depression. So if it was fired, the memory was fired, then it will never grow again, okay na? So this is the technique. Follow this technique, then it work out. Understand the technique. Main thing, it has to go with our discrimination, which is wrong and which is correct, okay na? So if it passes, the memory passes through this fire, then the memory gets samskarized means it's fried, it fries up. Fried one, fried fried seed never again grow, okay na? It will never give birth. Fried seed. So fried seed, all your memories have to fried. So it will never affect your system again and again in the future, okay na? So that's why this is important. The book part is nearly you do 2 to 7 days, you can do up to 7 days, okay na? So this is the most important, one of the most important practice you need to do, okay na? This is one step. And the next step is, after doing this, okay, this is important. And the next one is prayer, you need to do the prayer. I think you can, whatever the religion you have, you are in the, whatever you come from, whatever the religion, you believe your God. Okay, na? Do not believe others' God. You believe your God and pray heartfully. Okay, it works out. Definitely, it works out. Okay, no matter whatever it is, better to do this prayer after completion of the twin hearts meditation, because that time your aura contains more good energy. So then the manifestation power also increases after doing meditation. If you do practice, your wish will be fulfilled very rapidly. Okay, na? So these are the steps. The next one is the last and final part is karma. Even you do whatever the doctor, you take the medicine. Okay, na? Whatever much you are doing practicing, that means exercise practicing, and breathing exercise practicing, meditation practicing. So everything, whatever you are doing, you whatever, or if even you are doing everything, if still the depression is there, anxiety is there, then it is considered as a karma. Okay, na? According to theory, it is considered as a karma. Karma means, what is a karma? Karma means nothing else. It's your own past works only. Your past, whatever you did, that result come today. Okay, if you whatever see in the Bible says, if you sow good thoughts, good deeds, it will manifest good only. It comes to you good only. Whatever you sow, that you reap. If you sow good seeds, then you reap good fruit. Okay, na? The same this is the karma. Karma means nobody else did that. You only did in the past. That bad or good, that is what we are today enjoying. If you did you sow good seed in the past, then you reap here the good fruit. If you sow bad seed, then you receive bad result only. So karma means, see, if you do all the things, whatever you do in this planet Earth, whatever much you do, even your problem is not removing, means after doing all, still the problem is there, means it is considered as a karma. Karma means, actually karma cannot be escaped from the human being. Even God can face karma. Okay, so it's a rule in nature. But so nobody, no Swamiji or no any avatar or anybody don't erase this karma. Actually, in general, 99% nobody erase your karma. You need to learn you need to overcome the karma. Karma means what? Why this karma is different? Is compulsory, because you need to learn something from that. Okay, na? So if depression or anything is coming, means you need to learn something from that. Learn a lesson, life lesson you need to learn. So after learning the lesson, life lesson only, the karma will remove doubt. Otherwise, karma will it never goes from you. Okay, na? Nobody can remove the karma from you. Any much, whatever much the Swamiji is there, except the Sadguru or God only can do this. Okay, na? Okay, na? So the karma means it compulsory comes to you, but I'm giving some techniques to safely go and easily come out from the karma. Okay, the techniques I'll tell you. So the karma means, first of all, I will say you karma about more. There is a lot of subject is there in the karma, about the karma. So the karma means it comes to you definitely. But what we are doing is, see, you got injured severely. Okay, immediately after injury, if you apply certain ointment and after you dressing and all these things happens, means what happens? So something gets relief. Okay, karma is same like that. Karma comes to you, but by doing applying something, some ointments and bandings and all those things processes, you get some relief. Okay, na? Same like that. This karma healing also same like that. Maybe the percentage, if you intentionally do that, 100% of intense, if you do that, it can erase. It can be erasable. Okay, the karma means nobody else did to you. You only did to you only. So that you need to remove. This is important. Okay, na? The karma means you need to learn the lesson from the thing, and after learning the life lesson only you will uh, get rid out from that problem. Okay, na? This is the theory and also the practical. Now I'm giving you the concept how to uh, easily come out from the karma. Tithing, do the tithing means you need to pay 10th part of your income. So a person is earning 100 rupees per month, then you need to give the charity of charity, you need to do the charity for 10% of the income. So 10 rupees you need to give the charity. That charity also technically you need to give first you need to 10% of money, you need to make it 5 parts. First part you need to charity to yourself. Second part is you need to give to your father and mother. Third one is uh, your workers. The fourth one is your friends and families and relatives, or anybody, if they ask you, you need to give the charity. And the fifth one is guru or god, you need to give to them. So this is the technical tithing, so that uh, uh, you can have the protection from the karma. Okay, not only this is the tithing part. Okay, once again I'm telling, 100 rupees you earn means 10% of your income you need to separate it. Separate the 10 rupees, 10 percentage, and again do the 5 parts of the 10 percentage. Okay, na? The 10 rupees means 2 rupees, 2 rupees, 2 rupees, 2 rupees, like that. 2 rupees you need to give to you yourself. Give 2 rupees to your father and mother, and give some 2 rupees to your family and friends and your workers and to God. So like that you need to give the charity. Okay, understand clearly? The next step is, after doing this charity, not only the charity, if you are facing severely depression like that problem, not only charity is not only enough, but you need to do the service, seva or service. Service means you need to do or help others. Okay, helping others. How much you need to do, how much time you need to spend for the service per week? 3 to 4 hours. Okay, this much time you need to do service to others with your physical body or mental body or emotional body. You need to do intellectually or any form you need to do the service with your physical body, so that your problem will arise very quickly. Okay, now this is topmost technique. This is the topmost technique to get rid of from your depression. See, you do favor to others. What happens? Immediately your stress will go. See, observe that. You do some favor to others. Immediately your stress will go. Okay? Practice it, then only you can experience. Without practicing, if you are estimating the result, it won't come to you. So practice and you can get result. So that's your experience. You need not to ask anybody. Okay, you ask, no problem. But you ask for the experiences. Mainly the service is important, mainly because your physical body is facing problem. That means if you do some help to others, that means if you do help means God will help you. Okay, na? Depression people, one more practice virtue they need to practice is pardoning nature. Pardoning nature is very much important. If you pardon others, God will pardon you, so that you can your karma will arise easily. Okay, na? This is a simple formula. But this practice you need to daily, you need to do the practice, this practice, pardoning, loving kindness, non-injury practice, daily you need to do. Okay, na? One day, one time is not enough. Daily you need to have the strong affirmations, strong visualizations. Then work out, definitely work out. You can experience this. I experienced it. You will also get this experience. Do service. See, the service should not, you should not do with your own, means you should not do it for the sake of your friends and family members. Okay, na? Others, lovingly you need to give others. Give others. So then it will be given, the service means the healing will given to you, be given to you. Okay, na? If you heal others, you will be healed. If you do service, you also get service. This is a simple formula in nature. Okay, so basic formula, general nature formula. Okay, so help others as much as you can. Daily 1 hour. Do, if the depression or problem is severe, daily 1 hour you do spend time to others. Okay, remaining time do your works. Okay, no problem. But 1 hour you need to spend for others. Then your negative karma will be neutralized at mostly. I cannot say it may be completely also. Okay, now we cannot say how much the iceberg is there and under the water. We don't know, no. The subconscious level, how much iceberg is there under water, we cannot know. Only the upper portion only we can see, very small portion only we can see. Okay, under the water, how much iceberg is there, we cannot estimate by seeing merely on the top of the water. Okay, now. So floating iceberg means how much size is there under the water, we don't know. So like that, how much karma is there, we cannot estimate. Only God or Sadguru can estimate that. Okay. So very powerful persons only can do that. So normal persons, even a sadhaka also cannot, high level of practicing sadhakas cannot also estimate that. Okay. Very few people can estimate that. Like Sadguru or nearly the Sadguru, those who are practicing, so they only can tell you, they only can guide you. Okay, so these are about karma. Karma is the topmost, and finally divine healing. Do the prayer, pray. One day God show you mercy, and you will heal. Okay, this is all about depression. So discussions is there, lot of discussion is there, but I am saying very simply these concepts. Actually the subject is very vast. If I take one karma, in the part of karma topic is very vast. Okay, but I am saying directly, simply, karma means nothing but you need to learn the lesson from the life lesson you need to learn. Once you learn, the problem will never come again. The problem will never come to you again. Okay, so try to learn the lesson fast. So that means, see, observe your inner psyche, inner observation. So watch your actions, watch your words, watch your thoughts. So you know very well whether how your psyche is there, inner mind is there. You can estimate it, you yourself, you can estimate yourself. So these are my problems, these are the mistakes I am doing. You can estimate. If you watch your actions and watch your thoughts, watch your words, eliminate daily, say daily before going to bed, you yourself say, these are the good things I did today, and these are the bad things I did today. So for good, you appreciate yourself. For bad, strongly say, I will never do this again. So the mistakes level will very rapidly decreases in future. So thoughts also very much important. Okay na? So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.